So for this week's assignment, we had to make an access sheet to a few items. So I created a query that shows the average price per square foot. I included the equation list price divided by square feet to offer the average per square foot here. I also filtered out some of the property listings in Bergen County. You can see that here under criteria. And I also did listings over $180,000, which actually, now that I'm looking at it, I'm wondering where. Okay, well, in that case, it seems that it may have deleted my information, but this is what. So for this week's assignment, we were asked to make a few design sheets based off of this document. I used, for this query, I wanted to look at all of the properties listings that were over $180,000. So that's what that is. I included square feet, beds, and bath because those are all relevant details for me anyway. I also wanted to see what items had pools. So in this week's assignment, we were asked to do a few queries. In this one, I decided I wanted to see listings with pools. So here it is. This is everything that has a pool. You know, maybe somebody asked to filter everything else out. So you just add yes in the criteria here. Here I wanted to look at listings at $180,000 or more. So here's my design view. And in this case, I would put greater than $180,000. Don't know why it keeps deleting itself, but there it is. And then I would run that report. Cool. This week's assignment, we were asked to do a few things. So here is my queries. In my design view, for the average price per square foot, I just divided the list price by square feet. You can see that in my datasheet view. This is the average per square foot. Bergen County listings, I wanted to see only Bergen County because, you know, I guess it's a nice neighborhood, whatnot. So we just put the criteria, Bergen, and quotations here. And maybe I want to see only something with pools. So I added criteria yes under pool in the subdivision. So now I have my listings with pools right here. And that's it. That's my queries for today.